There's a blizzard coming in 26. They said the big one's on the way. News folks got dramatic. So half the town hit Walmart like it's in full-scale panic. Carts were stacked to Kingdom Come, stuff they'll never use. Saw a lady buy 12 loaves like she's starting a bread museum. 'Cause there's a blizzard coming in 26. Everybody's losing it over milk and Twix. You think the world was ending from the checkout line antics? Yeah, the blizzard's coming in 26. I saw a guy with pool noodles. He's prepping for a flood. Another grabbed a kayak like the snow's gonna turn to mud. One lady bought 10 candles, 3 hams and selfie stick, 'cause nothing says survival like a tripod in a blizzard of 26. Now the forecast says flurries, but folks act like it's the end. Posting warnings on Facebook, tagging every friend. And I'm standing there with one small list while they're buying like lunatics. All this and not a single snowflake from the blizzard of 26. 'Cause there's a blizzard coming in 26. And everybody's losing it over milk and Twix. You think the world was coming to an end. Check out Line Antiques. Yeah, the blizzard's coming in 26. When the first snowflakes fell, wasn't half what they predicted. The folks were home with mountains of snacks, snacked to the bricks. I shook my head and laughed, watching them prep like lunatics, and all for that 7 inches of the blizzard of 26. We didn't get that much here, but a lot of people did get a lot deeper snow, so it was a blizzard. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe in the blizzard.